So hello guys, I'm Dhaval Visariya and today I'm going to launch a ebook where you can find 600 plus MCQs and 10 plus case studies for exam for better marks. Okay. So if you want this, then feel to contact me from where? From Telegram, from YouTube or email. Okay. And you can't believe that what would be the price of this. So I am going to launch it for the first 100 subscribers at the rate of 9 rupees only. So yeah, if anyone is interested to buy this NISM 15 test series, then feel to contact me. So what I am giving in this test series, total 600 plus MCQ, where mock tests are divided into 9 parts. 6 mock tests are of 50-50 MCQs and other 3 are of 100 MCQs. ठीक है? And total 11 plus case studies where you can find a question, answer, and solutions. All of that. Okay. So yeah, if I tell that how I'm going to give you, okay. So first of all, there is a formula sheet where you can find all the formulas which are going to use in this mock test. Then mock test number one, there is a questions, options, correct answer, and the very good explanation. Okay, and all the MCQs are previously asked in all the NISM exam. So if you have any doubts regarding this, free feel to contact me anytime. Okay, and I am also telling that all these questions are made using my students and the students which give have exam. Okay, so yeah. So we are going to the case studies. Directly we are going to the case studies part. Okay. This is mock test number 4. If you tell that I am giving you all the insights of this, then no, you are wrong. That I have already post all the videos in my YouTube channel where I can explain how to do this MCQs and all. Okay, you can check here also. This is the mock test and part 1, part 2, part 3, where you can see all the MCQs are there also. But if you want all the MCQs and things in one place, then you have to pay only 9 rupees to get this. Okay. So yeah, this is a case study where question is there, and in that total 4 5 questions are there. In new exam pattern, there are going to ask you total 4 or 5 case studies compulsory. Total 20 marks of case studies are going to ask. Okay, if you go through this once, then I am sure you are going to pass the exam in one go only. Okay, you can check that I have beautifully explained all these MCQs. Okay, and case study. I have also added a technical part also. You can see. Okay, so yeah, if you want this, then you can contact me. Okay, also you can join my Telegram channel where more than 100 students are there. Okay, and you can also check the Apollo Financial Services chat sections too. And this is my official YouTube channel where you can also subscribe and get through my video. Okay, if you have any queries regarding this, free will do contact me. So bye, good night, sign off.